Here's how the US makes artillery ammunition for Ukraine. At this factory in Scranton, Pennsylvania, heavy steel bars are cut into 14-inch pieces called billets. A robot feeds the billets into a furnace, where they're heated to 2,000 degrees. Under 1,500 tons of pressure, they're stretched in hydraulic presses until they've tripled in length. On the factory floor, these metal parts start taking their final shape. Shells are packed into an oven for a heat treating process. It will help the steel shatter into small pieces when the shell explodes. Then, the shells are lowered into a 6,000-gallon oil bath that cools them down until they're safe to handle. Workers feed the shells into machines that polish them and make a series of precision cuts accurate to within thousandths of an inch. A phosphate bath keeps the shells from rusting. Then, they're blasted with olive green paint and dried. After more tests, thousands of shells are packed into trucks and driven to Iowa to be filled with explosives. This is the most dangerous part of the whole process. In the past, workers have been killed pouring molten explosives into shells like these. Our cameras aren't allowed to see it. Once the shells cool back down, they're x-rayed and identifying marks are painted on. After bundling them into pallets, 24 at a time, a forklift loads the newly completed shells onto a nearby railroad car. Most of them will go to Ukraine.